The United Kingdom Medical Licensing Assessment, or UKMLA, is the assessment framework regulated by the General Medical Council for doctors entering medical practice in the United Kingdom. The UKMLA evaluates essential medical knowledge, clinical skills, professional behavior, communication abilities, and decision-making required for safe patient care. The assessment consists of two major components: the Applied Knowledge Test, AKT, and the Clinical and Professional Skills Assessment, CPSA. TerraLeap's UKMLA preparation content covers cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, renal, endocrine, nervous, musculoskeletal, reproductive, mental health, and multi-system clinical areas. The content helps candidates develop diagnostic reasoning, investigation selection, clinical management skills, emergency recognition, preventive care, and patient-centered decision-making. The UKMLA assesses the ability to apply medical knowledge, interpret clinical findings, formulate differential diagnoses, and develop evidence-based management plans. Candidates must demonstrate competence in recognizing and managing acute and life-threatening conditions while ensuring patient safety and professional practice. These preparation resources are suitable for UK medical students, international medical graduates, doctors seeking registration, and candidates preparing through approved licensing pathways. TerraLeap supports UKMLA preparation through structured learning resources designed to strengthen knowledge, clinical reasoning, and examination readiness. Practice exam-oriented multiple-choice questions that assess applied medical knowledge across major clinical systems and real-world clinical scenarios. Develop diagnostic and management skills through clinical case studies while reinforcing key concepts using concise and effective flashcards. Build confidence with medical calculations, dosage assessments, fluid therapy exercises, and detailed explanations that strengthen clinical understanding. TerraLeap provides system-wise assessments and full-length mock examinations that help identify knowledge gaps, improve time management, and track progress.